Hey everybody, Dan here. About the end of the day here at the cabinet shop I've been apprenticing for. I've been building this last small little kitchen. 90% of the work I've been doing. Some of the more the detailed stuff I'm still learning how to do. So the guy I've been following and apprenticing under has been showing me how to do that. Other than that, I've been doing 90% of the work, except for the programming on the CNC. So if I give you a tour, it'll show you what I've been doing and what kind of skills I've been learning. Cabinet cutting process starts here at the CNC router. We run on a specialized software that runs it. This is a fully automated CNC. It self-clears, has auto tool changer. There's a vacuum table. So once we hit start, it sets everything to make sure it's straight and oriented, and then vacuum keeps it sucked down until the process is done. Next, we use when they're coming off the CNC, we label the parts so they know which one. We have a master key of what parts are where, what cabinets it goes to. These right here are all shelves and some backs for cabinets that we're building currently. Well, these are about most of the cabinets for the kitchen, up and coming kitchen, that we will be delivering and installing. Some have already have the backs on it because they're not going to be finished. Some we already have the MDF adhered to the side. It'll be ready to receive paint. We're going to do a little bit more prep work for it. As you can see, these backs have 3/4 inch backs. Sometimes mostly we use 1/2 inch, but every once in a while we do full 3/4 inch backs. So, as you see, it would be a nightmare without the CNC to cut this large corner cabinet. Also, with the CNC, it's able to drill all your shelves pins, and they're equal and square to the other. Typically, after we build cabinets, we take maple if it's going to be painted, or if it's stained, whatever kind of wood it's going to be used for the face frames, or if it's going to be a finished frameless cabinet, then we do edge band sometimes. We get the material, send it through a 24 inch, 25 inch wide belt. It sands the two sides down. Then we rip it on our table saw here, and then over there at the chop saw we cut it to size. Then we bring all the materials back over here. As you see, I got some staged here. Here we got doors. One on the left is not sanded or prepped for finish. The one on the right is prepped and ready for finish, which we are spraying tomorrow. Typically we cut all our painted kitchen doors out of high density MDF. We're usually doing this while we're building or processing our face frame material, because typically it takes about an hour to an hour and a half depending on the profile of the doors here. Shaker door styles can get processed a lot faster. This one took about an hour and a half times 5 today to process all these doors. Here, this is typically where the boss is sitting, sanding away for hours on end when we do MDF doors. To the core, we got a little triangle corner sander for the corners of the doors. We have a surface prep sander, which is excellent, great. And then we just have a little 5-inch orbital sander, which is also excellent. These are very different sanders to get the different profile edges. Typically we use these for our detail areas and doing our face frame sanding, get it nice and smooth, because this thing is very nimble. It can get in the tight spots. Here's our automotive spray booth that we use for all our finishing needs. We have a huge air filtration unit that takes all the nastiness away, but we still wear respirators and all that. Right now I'm lacquering some drawer boxes, dovetailed with red oak. Also just sprayed a maple door I'm making for a one-off cabinet, and a little maple here. That's what we use to spray most of our lacquer finishes. After all of our drawer boxes are finished, we install these specialized clips from Bloom. We use self-closing, soft closing drawer glides from Bloom. Very adjustable. Probably the best. Here is a specialized drill press for drilling hinges for cabinet doors. It has different settings for different type of doors that we use. Also, after you drill one hole and you go on to the next, it also presses in the cabinet hinge. It's a pretty cool system. You're able to put a lot of holes very quick in doors.